Model, 65-plate Renault TRAFIC business factory-fitted crew cab SAT nav 6-seater. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 136586. MOT, the 22nd of October 2024. Engine, 1598 CCR9M 115E5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No warning lights on the dash grin. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Crew cab. Features: air-con, electric windows, 2 keys, sat-nav. EU status: Euro 5. HPI, Cat N in 2023. Damage on passenger door. Cap retail, £6,095. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999. 7